这是什么比赛？台湾小将竟如此强势，竟然将世界第2的王曼昱打倒在地。决胜局关键时刻，简彤娟发起猛烈搏杀，险些完成惊天逆袭。这是2025年 WTT 重庆冠军赛女单1/8决赛，中国选手王曼昱对阵台湾选手简彤娟。让我们一起欣赏这场精彩的女单对决。
One.
双方此前一次交手，王曼昱获胜。
Steps around a little bit, you could see. Yeah, covers the middle there, creates the opening wide.
26岁的王曼昱，世界排名第2，反手中路进攻得分。
Game plan for Jen.
Have to be quite unpredictable, bring out some surprises on serve. And here they have to use that to their advantage to do something else.
23岁的简彤娟，世界排名第51位，通过线路变化积极调动王曼昱。
She's won her fair share of points, generates a lot of spin. Continental event just beat the world #1 Chien Tung-Chuan 4-0. And so when your world number's not too shabby.
Gone the way of
最终，王曼昱以11-4轻松拿下首局。
world #1 in straight games and. One on the board with Manyu.
王曼昱一旦找到机会，便果断侧身正手发力进攻。
Manyu so strong on serve.
I think to myself about what Jen is that she plays the efficient game and waits for her opportunity.
在王曼昱的高压逼迫下，简彤娟出手越发犹豫。
Are in the game. The more that's when it's going to win 13 of the last 16 points at any given moment. To extend the lead for the world #2.
Going down the diagonal. Super quick forehand.
Sets it up nicely.
王曼昱打得如鱼得水，以11-3轻松拿下第2局。
Unable to get a look in against last year.
11-1 for Wang in the first game, and he was beaten 4-2. The future, as long as we're keeping score, there's still. You take your chances. You've got nothing to lose. Shorter rallies.
第3局，王曼昱赢前进攻，给对手带来很强的压迫感。
Head scratcher, confusion to go with it.
精彩的上旋对抗，王曼昱利用速度优势连续发动进攻。
Jen's side, racket high, covers the middle with the big counter, but Wang Manyu when she's got. Take advantage, stay in control at this point. Yeah, it's an excellent read, whether it's peripheral, a little bit of height out of guess ahead of time.
王曼昱打得异常凶猛，不给简彤娟上手的机会，直接打停对方。
Still a long way to go in this one, but a tight.
But this is impressive stuff from Chien Tung-Chuan. To lose.
Leather. Despite coming out of the timeout and getting her serve out the match.
局末阶段，简彤娟展开搏杀，强势反扑，竟将王曼昱打倒在地。
How much spin she gets there.
最终，王曼昱稳住节奏，以12比10锁定胜局，以大比分3比0横扫简彤娟，强势晋级。让我们继续欣赏两位选手的精彩对决。
Game plan.
Have to be quite unpredictable, bring out some surprises on serve. And here, they have to use that to their advantage to do something else. Is that she plays the efficient game and waits for her opportunity. Power and consistency wasn't enough to extend the lead for the world number 2. Sets it up nicely. 3. Guess ahead of time.